The snow. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a snow squall warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, south central Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Rainen Lake to near Lake Mills, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles an hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstates 94 and 43. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Waukesha, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, West Bend, Mequon, Hartford, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Sussex, Heartland, Delafield, Jackson, Fox Point, and Elm Grove. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.